Okay, hello guys. Today I'm proud to show you the long mixer test. The mixer test, usually you have got the short mixer, which is just this pulley system here. It's 1.20 m long, and usually all lines should have same length. Then the airfoil of the kite is at the right shape. So what we do, if it's after some time of use, if it get out of shape, you can easily bring it back. This mixer is adjustable. To do it, just take the A line, the front one and the back one. Here's the front, here's the back, and bring it at one level, that this stopper knots here are at equal lengths. So, and Maxi at the other side will tension the lines a bit. Even if there's 1 centimeter unequal, it's no problem, because with the bar, if you depower 1 centimeter, then you have it. If I don't pull at the lines, you see B and C is a bit shorter, but as soon as I pull with 5 kilograms, you see it gets to equal lengths. You see here? So if you do the mixer test, you always have to pull a little bit. We say with 5 kilograms, then you make an accurate test. What we now have on top with the sole, we call it long mixer test, because it can happen that these lines are now equal, but the bridle lines could have changed in length. So what to do? We have now different markings here for the A line. Before we keep the line down, and now we keep it here up close to the canopy. And we also take the break line. You see here, it's also a marker. And now I bring this at equal level again. When the kite is brand new, both lines have the exactly same length. So now Maxi is, wait a moment, okay. Maxi is bringing it together and keep it. Okay, now he's keeping it, and now I can take the other levels and pull again with 5 kilograms. Now we see the B lines have stretched a bit, and let's take the C line. It's also a little bit stretched. What we can do now is to adjust the mixer to bring this here at equal length, and it's even more accurate than just only adjusting, because you have the bridle included in the mixer test. To adjust the mixer, it's quite easy. At C we had about 3 millimeters too long. What I can do is now, if I move this ring for 6 millimeters, 2 times more than we want to get finally, and then we can shorten by moving the ring up for this amount. I pull it tight, it's minimum 20 kilograms, otherwise when you go riding it will change. And the B level was automatically also, with this pulley system, the half of this shortened, but B was a bit more longer, so I have to also shorten it to get to the perfect trim back again. So now let's check again. Usually it's easier first adjust C, and then afterwards you adjust B. So let's check again that A and Z is equal again. Okay. Let's have a look for, yeah, B is maybe a little bit too tight now. We did a bit too much. And C is now quite equal. So now you know how to do the short mixer test, or even more accurate at the sole, you can do the long mixer test. So this is really new at the sole, and it's very powerful. You can really adjust this kite perfectly, the perfect trim. Thank you.